Thinking about snagging a deal on a car at an auction? It's a fantastic way to find a bargain, but you've got to know what you're looking for. Little prep work can save you a world of headaches later. Today, I'm going to walk you through a complete inspection checklist so you can bid with confidence. Let's get started. First things first, the paperwork. Before you even touch the car, check the VIN on the dashboard, the door jamb, and any other stickers. Make sure they all match the auction listing and the vehicle's title. Any mismatch is a major red flag. Also, take a quick look at the title itself. Is it a clean title, or is it branded as salvage, rebuilt, or flood damaged? This information is crucial and dramatically affects the car's value and safety. All right, now for the exterior walkaround. Don't just glance at it. Get up close. Look down the sides of the car from an angle to spot any waves or ripples in the body panels, which can indicate previous accident repairs. Check for inconsistent gaps between panels, like between the hood and the fender or the doors. Uneven gaps often mean parts have been replaced or poorly realigned. Look for paint over spray on window trim, door handles, or in the wheel wells. This is a dead giveaway of a repaint, and you'll want to know why it was painted. Also, check the tires. Do they have even wear? Uneven wear could point to alignment or suspension problems. Now let's pop the hood. You don't have to be a master mechanic for this part. First, just look. Does the engine bay look exceptionally clean? Almost too clean? Sometimes sellers will pressure wash an engine to hide leaks. Check the fluid levels: engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant, and brake fluid. Look at the color and condition of the oil on the dipstick. If it's milky or gunky, that could signal a serious engine problem like a blown head gasket. Pull the transmission dipstick. The fluid should be reddish pink and not smell burnt. While you're here, look for any signs of fluid leaks on the engine block or on the ground underneath. Next, it's time to get inside. The interior can tell you a lot about how the car was treated. First, does it smell okay? A musty or mildewy smell can be a sign of water leaks or flood damage. Pull back the floor mats and feel the carpet underneath. If it's damp, walk away. Check the upholstery for excessive wear, tears, or stains. A driver's seat that's completely worn out on a car with supposedly low mileage is a bit suspicious. Now, let's test the electronics. Auctions usually let you start the car, so turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. All the warning lights on the dashboard should light up and then turn off. If any lights stay on, like the check engine light, ABS, or airbag light, that means there's an issue that needs to be diagnosed. After you start the engine, listen carefully. Does it start easily? Is there any knocking, rattling, or squealing? A smooth, quiet idle is what you want to hear. With the engine running, test everything you can. Roll the windows up and down, test the air conditioning and the heater, check the radio, the turn signals, and the headlights. Don't be shy. Press all the buttons. Buying a car at auction can be an exciting and rewarding experience if you do your homework. This checklist will help you spot potential problems and avoid buying someone else's headache. Remember, you're looking for a great deal, not a great disaster. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car buying tips and tricks. See you in the next one.